Welcome to Aabinandan Academy. Good morning, my dear students. In the chapter 7, integral substitution methods. So, in the substitution methods, the integrals of some particular functions. So, in the topic, I will divide it by total number of types equal to 14. So, up to type 10 should be completed in previous video. Yes, clear? So, up to type 1 to 10, this concept based on the more number of problems is available in our ncert book exercise 7.4. Yes, clear? In the remaining type, in the 11 to 14 type, in the remaining 11 to 14, you can refer the Adisarma. Yes, clear? So you could follow, first you could watch this concept video, next you could refer the Adisarma book. Okay, the remaining 11 to type 11 to 14 methods. Okay, you understood, children? Right? If you children, if you watching the first time my channel videos, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for regular updates of my channel videos. That's clear? So what's the type 11? What's the meaning of type 11? See, type 11 means different types of problems. Okay, but in the same type of problem, you could again utilize the definite integral also, same concept will come. So you can indefinite integral methods, first you could thorough this same concept problem, definite integral, you can feel very easy. Yes, clear? So first type 11 problem, integration of 1 by a sin squared x plus b cos squared x into dx. That's a one way of, that is sin squared x plus cos squared x, that format. Again, a and b are some constant. So one way, again 1 by integration of a plus b sin squared x dx, or integration of 1 by a plus b cos squared x dx, or integration of 1 by a plus a sin x plus b cos x, the whole square. Note this point, it is a whole square. Next again 1 by a some constant plus b sin squared x plus c cos squared x. A, b, c are some constant. But here note this point, how to identify the type 2. The type 2 means sin squared x cos squared x, only square term will come, denominator. So numerator no values. Okay, so only denominator value will come. But in the denominator value, sin squared x cos squared x, square term will come. Again here you could utilize sin x plus cos x will come in the whole square also. This is not the point. This method also. In a bigger sub, the 12th method sin x cos x only will come. The 12th method is sin x cos x only come. So 11th method type 11 should be, all the terms should be square term. Sin squared x, cos squared x, sin squared x, here cos squared x, in square term will come. So these 5 different types of category. Is clear? So this type of problem is clear. How to solve the integration concept? Is clear? How to solve? So you could utilize the methodology. First, divided numerator and the denominator both by cos squared x. The numerator and the denominator divided by the cos squared x. That's a point number 1. Next point number 1, replace the secant squared x if any denominator will come 1 plus sin squared x. Okay, suppose here denominator value secant squared x will come, just a secant squared x you could change 1 plus tan squared x because of your substitution assumption t is equal to tan x. Okay, you can assume put t is equal to tan x. Very important, you can assume that put t is equal to tan x. So dt by dx is equal to secant squared x. So then first step, divided by numerator and denominator by cos squared x. This is a very important. Okay, numerator and denominator divided by cos squared x. So any denominator value you will come to secant squared x. You will come. So please to replace 1 plus tan squared x. This is a very important. Point number 2. Next point number 3. The denominator value tan x term should become that the particular tan x you will take it, put t is equal to tan x. For t is equal to tan x, dt by dx equal to secant squared x, automatically the numerator will come to secant squared x, this type of problems. Is clear? So this is a concept. The concept based on the 2 problem. Okay. Now the above concept based on the 1 problem. Here integration of 1 by a squared sin squared x plus b squared cos squared x. Is clear? So what is the procedure? First step, the numerator and the denominator is divided by cos squared x. This is step 1. Is clear? So I will divide it by numerator cos squared x. Again the divided by denominator. So I cos squared x I will individually divide it. So sin squared x divided by cos squared x plus b squared cos squared x divided by cos squared x into dx. So now you would simplify 1 by cos squared x, that the value of secant squared x, divided by here a squared sin squared x by cos squared x is equal to tan squared x plus b squared x into dx. Is clear? This is step 1 procedure. Now you could assume that what's the value? Put t is equal to tan x. Put t is equal to tan x. You could assume that put t is equal to tan x. Is clear? So t is equal to tan x means dt by dx. What's the answer? Dt by dx is equal to tan x differentiation. We get the secant squared x. But what's the meaning? Dt by secant squared x is equal to dx. So we get the one ideas. Is clear? So now you could follow. So by integration of here secant squared x divided by a squared tan squared x, that the value of t, that's the meaning of t squared plus b squared. Again the dx value is equal to dt by secant squared x. So now secant squared x would be cancelled. What are remaining? So integration of 1 by here a t the whole square plus b squared into dt. That's clear? What's the formula? A squared plus b squared. Okay, so integration of, so you know that formula, integration of 1 by x squared plus a squared dx is equal to what a formula? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Same, you got a Euclid's. What's the value here? That's a value here, b, constant value b. Up here 1 by b. That's clear? 1 by b tan inverse of x by a. What's the x? at by b. Is clear? Some constant c. What's the coefficient of t? Coefficient of t is equal to a. That is a whole divided by a. That is upper value of 1 by ab. Is clear? 1 by a tan inverse of a into t. What's the value of t? T is equal to tan x. Upper a tan x divided by b, some constant c. It's clear? You got understood? Next, in the above concept based on the another one problem. So integration of sin x divided by sin 3x into dx. This is important JEE questions. So integration of sin x divided by sin 3x into dx. Okay. So you know the type 11 methods. So 1 by a squared, okay, 1 by a sin squared x plus cos squared x. All the terms would be square. Here without square term. What methods are here do you place? First you got to simplify sin x sin 3x. First you got to simplify. Okay. So what's the value? Here integration of, okay, sin x divided by sin 3x. You got to simplify. Sin 3x means 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Is clear? Into dx. You know the sin 3x formula. Now you will take it sin x common. Up here sin x divided by, take it sin x common. What's the remaining? 3 minus 4 sin squared x. Okay, into dx. So now you would cancel. But what's the here? Integration of 1 by 3 minus 4 sin squared x into dx. Now you will get the idea. What's the meaning? Integration of 1 by a plus b sin squared x format you will come. Yes, clear? So in this type of problem, type 11 type of problems, so problems you will give, just go to simplify, we get the format. Yes, clear? So same way, here 1 divided by 3 minus 4 sin squared x. So first step, what is the procedure? Numerator and the denominator divided by cos squared x. Same as usual. So by here I will divide it. Numerator 1 by cos squared x. So by here integration of 1 by cos squared x divided by numerator divided by here 3 by cos squared x. Is clear? 3 by cos squared x, that is integration 3 by cos squared x minus here 4 sin squared x by cos squared x. Is clear? Into dx. So now here integration of 1 by cos squared x is equal to secant squared x divided by 3 cos squared x means about 3 secant squared x minus 4 tan squared x into dx. So here one important another one steps, if any denominator value secant square will come, suppose the denominator value secant square will come means you got to replace 1 plus tan squared x. Is clear? So you know that formula 1 plus tan squared x is equal to secant squared x. Is clear? 1 plus tan squared x is equal to secant squared x. So any denominator value will come. Here secant squared x denominator value will come. I am using the formula 1 plus tan squared x, because of the denominator only I need in terms of tan x. Is clear? Terms of tan x terms. But here integration of secant squared x divided by 3 into secant squared x means 1 plus tan squared x. Is clear? 1 plus tan squared x minus 4 tan squared x into dx. Just you could simplify. Here secant squared x divided by here 3 plus 3 tan squared x minus 4 tan squared x. Is clear? Into dx. You can now simplify integration of secant squared x divided by 3 minus 4 up here minus tan squared x into dx. So you could assume that put t is equal to tan x. Put t is equal to tan x. That's clear. So now dt by dx, tan x differentiation secant squared x. That's clear. Tan x differentiation secant squared x. So now you could get the value of dt by secant squared x is equal to dx. That's clear. So now you could substitute this given problem. So what's the here integration of here value of integration of. That's clear. So integration of here secant squared x divided by 3 minus t squared into dx value dt by secant squared x. So just you could cancel. But here integration of 1 by root 3 the whole square minus d squared into dt. I will change 3 root 3 the whole square. So using the formula, what's the formula? Here using the formula integration of 1 by a squared minus x squared dx. So using the formula 1 by 2a log of modulus of a plus x divided by a minus x plus some constant c. Using the result. Yes, clear? So but here using here integration of what's the here just equal to what's the value a, that is 1 by 2, a value is equal to root 3. Yes, clear? Again the value of log of modulus of a value is equal to root 3 plus x is equal to t by root 3 minus t plus some constant c. But here 1 by 2 root 3 into log of modulus of root 3 plus t. The t is equal to what's the value? T is equal to tan x plus tan x. That's clear? Tan x by again root 3 minus tan x plus some constant c. Is clear? You can understand, my children. So in this video you have discussed about type 11. So type 11 you could refer the R.D. Sharma book. So I will take the R.D. Sharma to different types of problems. Again you can refer the R.D. Sharma book. We get the clarity, again more clarity of ideas and more depth in exercise, that is type 11. It's clear? Type 11 you work out the more number of problems, you could automatically get practice. Is clear? Okay children. So type 11 should be completed. Next type 12 you can watch the next video.